I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. So this morning they have these kind of sausages and this kind of eggs. So I've got 2 eggs and it looks like 5 sausages. So that's what I'm having this morning. So it's funny, the eggs were they were spongy. So I don't know if it's maybe if they were baked. It looked like they were like cooked in little rings, like muffin top pans, but they were spongy. So I don't know if they were fake eggs, but they were yellow and white. So I don't really know how that works. You all know I'm not too, but they were spongy, not not solid. Anyway, it's 8:35. Mom just texted that my sister was up and moving. My middle sister and I have been sitting here chit-chatting, and so it's really cool. They have a bathroom down here that's really private. So when I have to have a movement, I come down here and use this. When I did it last night and yesterday morning, and then it's kind of out of the way, and then I don't have to stink up our shut up, y'all. I don't have to stink up our four people hotel room. I think that's funny. Okay, we're going to see manatees today, and I don't even know what else, but I'll show y'all what I show you. Live oak trees with the Spanish moss, so it's pretty cool.
In about 3 miles, at the roundabout, take the 3rd exit onto Buena Vista Boulevard.
Gidget, I don't know how close you are, but we're in your state.
Comfortable driving unfamiliar cars and unfamiliar.
This is the Wild Crystal River 3 Springs Wildlife Refuge, and it's free to get in. And so I'll show you what I can show you as I show you things. I know, I'm not a very even walker. We got here on a free day, so we don't have to pay anything. I had a half of a burger on top of the, what you saw me eat for breakfast. I wanted some beef in there to kind of keep me satiated. So I don't know how long this walk is, but Judy and my 2 sisters are behind me. I'm just feeling a little bit energetic, so I want to go. I'm walking a little bit faster, not much faster, but that's only, they're walking slow to keep up for Mom, but it's their turn. They get to take care of Judy. So I'm just teasing. Okay, see y'all in the manatees. There's little vendors for food, and there's a little sign for where we're starting. And there's some logs out there. We saw one from a different angle a while ago. And is that one right there? Lots of vendors around. It's very pretty. I'm not seeing any right from where we are, but there's a glare. It's very beautiful here, though. Look at me being outside. Aren't you guys proud of me? What you said. So this is a rescue place, too. It's so pretty and clear. I mean, there's no manatee right here. We're just along the walkway. There's a bunch of tours going on also. Oh, if I can get up to here, I might just have to show you all. I don't know what all that is up there. But see, there's buoys and there's somebody out in the water out there. I'll have to show you in a minute. I can't really tell what's going on, but you can see there's stuff up here.
Sometimes it's hard.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah. I'm not gonna say it's better or worse.
This is cool.
But you do get your
Yeah, I couldn't really get a good look with you guys, but I just wanna. So now we're heading back wherever it is we're going. Oh my, this is too people-y for me. Oh my goodness. And then there's kids squalling. I'm coming. I got stuck behind a couple people. Oh, that's funny.
Manatee.
Oh, that's funny. So yeah, definitely too people-y for me. I'm not a good tourist, but it's neat to see. Oh look, there's a manatee up here. It's a guy dressed up as a manatee. That's kind of funny. Hello. Thank you. See? No. Yeah. I got my photo taken, and now I'm going to make that my cover photo. I tell you, it's fun. I did, you'll see some, I'll just throw in pictures if I can remember. I may not even talk over them at the end, but it's pictures from the family trip. So it's really cool. I don't think there's any up here, but it's still beautiful. They are kayaking out, or whatever you call that thing. And I think there's maybe manatees out there, but it's thick, so who knows. But it's still beautiful to see. See right there, there's a couple of them. And there's some right out there. So, it's neat. This is fun. Found a place in the shade. I got a bench. The family, mom's asking questions. And so there, she's learning about the manatees. I kind of have to pee, but I pee a lot, guys. Sitting with the family, I realize I pee a lot, but I drink a lot. So anyway, it's very beautiful down here. You sure? Mm-hmm. Do it again. Bacon right now. We pulled over to go to the bathroom at a place called Racetrack. You know, we haven't filled up our tank yet. I don't know. I haven't noticed, but anyway, we're pulled over for drinks or whatever. We are down in Turton, and we come down here to see the Spongerama. This is down here is where they get sponges. There's waterfront stuff. So, smells good. Smells like food. I'm trying not to bounce, you guys. I know, thank you. Oh, belly dancing? That's what I saw. Belly dancing. All right. Let's go belly dance, y'all. Ding, 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 ding. Belly dancing, belly dance. Ching, 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 ching.
Still going straight ahead?
Yeah. I guess. I don't know. Maybe we would have ventured down. Well, I got you.
Looks like little shops and not really sure what else here. Nice little area though.
What's the plug?
I see it, thank you. Mom's trying to keep me from running into the plug. Dolphin Adventure Island Cruise. People on bikes. Oh, there's a dispensary. Let's go to the dispensary. All right, I'll talk to y'all next thing. Look at all these sponges. Look at this. You can have it for hanging a plant. Look, it's a pufferfish. That's sharp.
Elephant ear. Ear sick. Good for pottery art.
I've had a lot of family time today. I am ready to, like, you know, go be away from the family. Not that there's anything wrong with them, but when they come to town, I usually go to my house between 5:30 or 6. So, or well, no, about, 6:30, 7. And I'm about done with the family time. Shut up, y'all. Shut up. I'm ready just to have some Terri time. Kind of stinks around here. Smells like ocean water. No offense, people that like the ocean. It stinks. Or maybe it's there's like a Cuban cigar place. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. Y'all know I'm just too chatty. But anyway, it does kind of have a funky odor around here.
$3 for the little lemon. Let's go back this way. It doesn't seem like it does.
Getting down by the water. Water's too dark to see in it, but it does say there are dolphin or sunset cruises. No outside drinks allowed, but it's very pretty. You see a little boat, boat.
Looks like definitely a what they call it, walking.
It smells better over here. I think it was where we were. It was like a cigar place, and so I think they were smoking cigars. But it smells much better over here. And don't worry, it doesn't stink like fish anymore. So it must have been what I was around. It smells fresh and clean.
Oh no, there's my yacht.
There's the fam. Okay, we are at the Best Western of I don't know if it's Dunedin. It sounded like the guy said Dunedin, but look at that. We have we have a patio, porch, whatever you call it. We have a balcony. Mom said it's a balcony, and we so Mom wanted it, so our balcony was out this way, but I don't know, so there was some kind of mix-up. But either way, I said, bring your chair out here. It's gorgeous out here. Look how pretty this is. So we are going to go find some fish place. I'm actually getting our ice bucket filled. So, but look, they have benches out here. So somebody could just sit. Look at that little pier. Look how narrow that thing is. I'd be going, I'd be afraid I'd fall off that thing. But I can't tell if it's a walkway or not, what that is. But anyway, yeah, that one over there has got railing. So anyway, isn't that so beautiful? Oh my goodness. Florida's pretty, and it was a good temperature today too. I went ahead and put on shorts for this evening. Oh wait, I'm supposed to get ice. Anyway, it's so pretty, guys.
Do you think there's
We're at a place called Old Bay. I'll show you what I get when it comes.
Looking like we got everything we need.
Burger, no
Ketchup,
bun.
mustard here if you need it.
Thank you. Burger, no bun, pickle, avocado, bacon, and veggies. So that is what I opted for. So we ate across the street from our hotel. Look, golf cart, but that's a 4-seater. Anyway, so, all right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Hey, these are pictures from yesterday. I know I used one of them for my cover photo yesterday, but that was my family. I've got my cousin. That's my cousin Jay. He loves dogs as much as I do. He's got a dog that's training to be a service dog, and he takes them. He had another dog, and he would take it to the hospital to visit little kids with cancer, and it got stolen. But there we were at the all the Manatee thing, and there's me and Mom and my sister, and then there's me and Judy. We had a really fun day today. Bye.